Mrs. Hensley's friends. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time of the day it is that you are watching this. It is Tuesday morning, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful Tuesday already. It is time to do our calendar. Okay, yesterday was the 19th, so October the 19th. So what comes after 19? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. So today is October the 20th, 2020. Okay, who remembers what day of the week it is today? I just said I hope you're having some kind of morning or some kind of day already. What day of the week is it? It starts with a t, 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 t. Who remembers? Tuesday, Tuesday. Okay, so today is Tuesday. What will tomorrow be? What comes after Tuesday? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. What? Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Okay, so what was yesterday? Today is Tuesday. What comes before Tuesday? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Monday. Good job, friends. So, yesterday was Monday, today is Tuesday, and tomorrow will be Wednesday. Awesome job. Okay, let's move over here. Mrs. Hensley forgot to turn the light off. I am so sorry. So we don't have that glare. There we go, friends. Okay, we need to add a straw and a tally for the numbers of days that we have been in school. So here's our straw. Here's our tally. Let's count and see how many we have here. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Let's see if we have 36 tallies. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and one more is 36. So a 36 is a 3 and a 6. 36 is a 3 and a 6. Mrs. Hensley would like for us to count all the way to 36. Here we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Now let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30. And if we were to keep going, it would be 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, friends, it is time for us to put the date over here. First, we have the Statue of Liberty, and the Statue of Liberty is a symbol of our country, the United States, and it is a symbol of freedom. Also, it is located in New York at the New York Harbor, okay? United States flag. United States flag is a symbol of our country, right? Okay, it has 50 stars for 50 states, 13 stripes for the 13 colonies, okay? So we know that today, the month is October, and it is the 10th month. So 10, today is the 20th, 10-20-20. That's kind of cool, isn't it? 10, 20, 20. Oh, I like that. Okay, let's abbreviate October. October starts with an uppercase O, lowercase c-t, period, finger space, 20, comma, this is cool too, 20, 20. And now we'll write out October. October starts with an uppercase O. That is a cool date today, October 20th, 2020, isn't it? So cool. Okay, Mrs. Hensley's friends. Today you will have an ending sound activity that you will be doing. We will be doing our letter sound chart and writing the letters uppercase D and lowercase d. I will be reading Hello Fall again. We will review our vocabulary and verbs, and you will have a writing activity to go with that. For math, we will be listening to a Number Gator song and comparing numbers on 10 frames. Okay, and then we may throw in a little fall activity in the afternoon sometime this week. Okay? I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your Tuesday. I want you to tell me something that you did over fall break, okay? Something that you did. If you went somewhere, you can tell me. If you stayed home and did something at your home, you can tell me. Anything good that you did over fall break, okay? And then tomorrow it'll just be tell me something good. Let's see, what do I have that is good? I cleaned up my house over fall break. It needed to be done because Mrs. Hensley hasn't had a lot of time to do that. So it feels pretty good to go home to a clean house. So that's good. That's a good thing. When I go home this evening, I'll be walking into a nice clean house, and that feels so good, doesn't it? Okay, I hope you guys have a terrific Tuesday. Mrs. Hensley will see you soon and talk to you soon. Bye, Mrs. Hensley's friends.